In life, doors close every day, jobs disappear, certainties vanish, and we're forced to let go, hoping that something better will open in return. But new opportunities only work when we face them with clarity, not with fear. And that's where this story begins. Because today, just like millions of people out there, these friends believed one powerful idea. Everybody needs to trade to survive, but how you trade and why you trade can change everything.
We want our jobs! We want our jobs! Give us our jobs back!
There we were, searching for answers, for hope, for something to hold on to.
Now, what?
Until one idea appeared, an idea that felt like salvation.
Trading.
Trading.
Just trading.
The first wins came fast, too fast. And just like that, hope turned into euphoria. The market wasn't an escape anymore, it was a promise. Easy money has a dangerous side effect. It makes you believe it will always be there. While some dreamed of supercars and private jets,
Hello? Lamborghini? Oh yeah. I want a car.
Hello? This is Ferrari? Perfect! I want a Ferrari. Rolls Royce. Frank Muller.
Private jet.
and one of us stayed grounded, building a plan B, working quietly while everyone else chased the illusion.
Could you tell me what time is the job interview, please?
Yeah, no problem. I can start tomorrow, for sure. For sure, no problem. See you tomorrow then. Bye. I made it. Made it!
The market has a cruel way of tasting you. First it gives,
No.
yes. No. Then it takes everything back. Not to punish you, but to reveal who you really are when the screen turns red.
We broke.
Emotions became our strategy. And emotions never survive the market.
And I'm going to pay you maybe tomorrow. 20% extra. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
We traded to survive, and in the process, the way we trade is what destroyed us.
Yeah. Please, I pay you back. I swear, I pay you back.
Yeah, look, here's the situation. I need more money, a lot of money. So can I get a second mortgage for my home, please?
But while the rest of us drowned in fear
Hey,
and
guys, what's wrong?
greed,
Fuck, bro. What just happened? Dude.
he moved forward, not because he was lucky, but because he didn't trade to
Hi,
survive.
sweetie. Hi, how are you? Yeah, I was thinking I made an extra money this week, and I want to spend it with you. You are the most important person in my life. Would you like to have dinner with me in a special place? I invite.
And so we reached the bottom. No money, no plan, no direction, just the echo of our own mistakes.
The Ferrari to bicycle.
Sometimes life gives you a second chance, not because you earned it, but because you need to learn the lesson again.
Tres.
Everybody needs to trade to survive, but those who trade to survive rarely survive the trade.